Imagine this, a man with a vision, a simple yet groundbreaking idea, in a place where resources are scarce, but the need is vast. This isn't just any story, it's about turning the impossible into the possible, about saving lives in a way that's both innovative and heartfelt. Welcome to our journey with Robert Robinson, a name that might not ring bells worldwide, but is a hero in his own right in Jamaica. His idea? Transforming buses into ambulances. Let's get into a tale of creativity, compassion, and change. In the heart of Jamaica, under the warm Caribbean sun, a crisis loomed. The Southern Regional Health Authority faced a dire shortage of ambulances. Picture this, only 5 ambulances are available for an entire region, serving 3 parishes and multiple hospitals. The need was overwhelming, and the call for help was loud and clear. Enter Robert Robinson, the transport fleet manager, who has not just experience in motor vehicles, but also a heart ready to serve his community. He thought, why not retrofit buses into ambulances? In 2016, with the cost of a single ambulance sky high, Robinson proposed a genius solution. Why buy one when you can get 2 for less and make them even better? And so, the journey began. 2 buses were transformed, saving millions of dollars and, more importantly, countless lives. These weren't just any ambulances, they were equipped with fridges for medical samples, upgraded electrical supplies, and even a sink for hand washing. Each could carry patients and accommodate 3 sit-up staff members, ensuring care and comfort every mile of the way. Fast forward, and the impact of Robinson's idea is nothing short of miraculous. Other regions have followed suit, expanding their fleets with these retrofitted buses. The initiative didn't stop there. A mobile maintenance unit was born, proving that innovation knows no bounds. Now, let's hit pause and marvel at what's been achieved. Number 1. Millions saved. The cost-effectiveness of this initiative is staggering, with 3 ambulances for the price of 2. Number 2. Speedy turnaround, from purchase to retrofitting. A mere 2 months compared to the long wait for traditional ambulances. Number 3. Enhanced features. Upgrades include fridges for medical samples, sinks for hygiene, and more oxygen for patients. Number 4. Widespread adoption. Other health regions are now on board, expanding the reach of this life-saving idea. Number 5. Beyond ambulances, the concept evolved to include a mobile maintenance unit, showcasing the versatility of Robinson's vision. Let's not just see it as a tale of innovation, but as a beacon of hope and a testament to human ingenuity. Robert Robinson didn't just change the game, he saved lives, proving that with creativity and determination, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. Here's to the unsung heroes like Robinson, who remind us that to make a difference, sometimes all you need is a brilliant idea and the courage to bring it to life. Let's carry this spirit forward, finding our own ways to make an impact, no matter where we are in the world. We would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest and most fascinating videos.